These suck because they pinch and shut the exhaust flow off. These ones here were good when they fit. S&S makes the taller ones, like you like, but have the big hole in them.
The larger diameter?
So they have a bigger ID. So take those two gaskets, lay them on top of each other. What's the ID difference?
Almost the same. Not much.
Because Harley makes these thin and S&S doesn't. So this looks like a thin one. Looks like an S&S. See how the ID is a little bit bigger than the stock gasket? So that's a thinner gasket. Cross section. S&S makes that one. So those are S&S gaskets. Stock Harley gaskets.
They don't leak.
Harley gaskets are thicker down here, so they pinch the port off more. These will pinch in. The excess stuff compresses and pinches and shuts out the port off.
Okay.
These ones here will not pinch the port off hardly at all.
Because they don't compress so
but
much.
You have to have the pipe where it actually compresses against it, and it has to be square. So if your pipe is a piece of crap, you have a problem. If you have a good pipe, they work great. When you have a crappy pipe, they don't work for squat.
Okay.
You keep using these fancy 2-in-1 piece of crap pipes, they don't fit. They're not made right. So you're blaming the gasket for the exhaust manufacturer issue. Okay, next problem. Rocker boxes. Okay, we got these all cleaned up, but his rocker arms suck. They need to be reground. So, where's these new boxes at?
I'll be able to take them apart or what?
So we're going to look in here and see if these nice looking rocker arms are going to be usable for our application. So, because those haven't got any miles on them at all. So let's take that apart and see if it's the same. Throwing stuff at me again. Okay, so when you go take these apart, the shaft right here has a big groove in it. This one here does not, so you beat it out that direction.
What's the groove? What's the groove you said?
It's groovy. That's where the bolt hole is. So here, you're doing this part.
Turn the light off. It's on. Okay.
See that groovy shaft right there? Why's that shaft got a groove in it?
So you know which way not to push it out.
No, so it won't fall out when you got the bolt in it.
Yeah.
What are you doing over there?
Just trying to catch it.
Did I tell you to grab that? You like you're going to do something here.
I'm not. I'm going to be cameraman, that's it.
Which one's that go to?
This side.
What are you looking at? Watching me or looking at? Which one's that go to?
Front.
Front what?
Front of the front rocker arm box.
Or it goes to this one right here? What about that one? Does that one go with this
To
one?
the rear.
Does that shaft go with this one?
That shaft goes with this one.
Oh, is that why it's next to that one?
Yep.
So you mean if they
Came
like
off
that,
in order.
So you mean if you leave them like that on the table, they won't get mixed up?
If you want to not get them mixed up, you can.
See, but you might mix them up.
That's the other one, not the other old one.
Now, see this fancy O-ring right here?
Mm-hmm.
It might hit on that when it comes out. The first thing I'm going to do is see if it looks like it might be the same part. It looks like it's very similar.
Too bad we couldn't just get those things to fit on them. Don't mix them up.
What's this? What's this? Do those look identical to you? Same rocker ratio?
Yep, that's flat down like.
It's in the same spot, isn't it? They look like that's in the same spot.
Yep.
So they might be the same?
Evils are evils, from what I understood.
So this one looks like it might work. Okay. What do you think?
How do you think it will?
You think it'll work?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Wouldn't it be easier just to put those whole valve covers on?
Put what on? This one doesn't fit in the bike. You want to take the whole bike apart to put the motor out in there? Yes.
I don't want to take it all apart.
That's where you were last night.
This can go, right?
Gonna do what?
That can go back over in the box?
No.
Okay.
Where's that go?
Right there, where it's at.
Where's the one we took off? This one?
No, we want this one, don't we?
So if you flip this over, it's brand new.
Aren't those worn out?
Why, this is the new one.
No.
Those are the old ones.
Okay.
Did you lose track?
Tight.
Gotta get the knot straight up and down. They appear to be tight.
One on the right side, the notch on there?
The notch is right here.
I mean, the line.
Does the notch look like it's straight up and down here?
A little bit that way. Going now. Assembly lid.
Make sure it's in the shaft.
Make sure it was in the what? Well, it fits. Ratio is the same. It's a good thing.
Look at a new tip on it.
Nice. Good thing I had those.
What did I do different?
What'd you do different?
I swapped shafts. See the wear mark?
Mm-hmm.
See no wear mark?
Yep.
Wear
So
mark?
how do you do it?
No wear
180
mark.
off?
That's how you do it. Reverse them. Pretty complicated, wasn't it?
They all wear like that though, because the shaft don't spin.
Load goes up. So if you want a new shaft, flip it over. You can do that once.
Yeah, ain't no good to do it
You
twice.
can do it twice. So now we got brand new shafts, and we got like new rock arms.
Reno.
So your 60,000 mile fxrs got genuine Harley new rock arms. Did it have less than what, 1,000 miles, 2,000 miles?
I don't have no idea. Not much though.
Would have had on these.
I have no idea. I bought them from somebody.
Now you can either put those in there or you just leave them out.
Okay. Get them out of the way.
You want to leave them in there or leave them out?
You want the other new one? I'll put them in the same box over here.
I need some new ones. You got some new ones?
Yep.
Oh, look what I found.
Another one?
Another one.
Hope it looks as good as the other thing. Don't clean.
This one's got a brown one and a black one. I don't know the difference between the front and rear.
Is that the deal?
I guess when the black one's not. See that same nasty oil coming out?
Old stuff.
Old stuff. You got some old stuff? Good.
I put it away already.
Put a lid back on that one. Okay, where's this go?
Rear.
What's that red part mean?
Overspray.
Overspray?
Gasket material. What is it?
Leftover from the old blower?
Clean those things.
You didn't clean it very well, did you? Which one's going over here?
That one there, upside down, all right?
Is this one upside down? Or the right side?
Where's
up?
the wear? That's the wear mark right there. That's the good side, isn't it?
Which one has the wear mark? This one?
That
Or
one.
This
That's
is
the
wear?
good side.
That's the good side?
Yeah.
So that goes on where?
Where's the notch at? Yeah, it goes just like that.
So the
Let's
good
see the other
side.
side.
So the good side goes up?
Let's see the other side. I say that side's the good side.
That's
Friction
the good
goes
side.
up, right? That way.
Where's the wear mark?
Wiped it off.
Where's the wear mark?
Over a little more. Right there.
So this one goes over here.
Okay. We got the bottom clean, right? Wear mark on the top.
The wear is on the bottom.
Yeah, but when we're done here, you want where the wear means to be on the top, or no?
So,
Friction's on the top.
see, there's no marks there. Marks up here. So the load goes up. You know, rocker lockers for these, they're tight.
Mm-hmm.
It's a joke anyway. Stupid thing. What happened? Go ahead. What's going on?
It's not.
I'll go
It is
ahead.
now.
Rotational issue.
Only for a minute. Momentary.
Put it
Momentary.
like that, or put the good side up.
Good side up. Down. Up. Put it the right way, Keenan. Quit testing me.
Good side goes
I
down.
can't see him all the time.
Good side goes down.
Good
Bad
side goes up. The rod fit this time. Beating everything up again.
Fits now.
Oh, this is complete, right? Yeah.
Can you see through the hole now?
Again, both of them.
That means a bolt might go through it.
Yep.
You got a bolt? Check me
Over
out.
here by the bike.
Yeah. Which one's this one?
That's the rear
Which one's that one?
front.
You sure?
Because of the corrosion.
Corrosion.
You can't clean this part.
You mean that part there?
I was just looking at the top one.
Oh. So the middle's bad.
Mm-hmm.
Back and front are good. What about this junk?
I'm gonna put that in the box over here right now.
That's the good extra parts that are
I'm not
left
sure
over.
that's what would be good turning it over.
That's the good parts that are left over?
They're definitely old leftovers.
Leftover junk? Alright, leftover junk. Alright, there you go. We'll be back.